Now we are headed to IKEA. I don't know if we will shop anything, but it's good metro ride. Wearing and slippers today. Since it's week off, weekend, there's not much crowd. Like literally there is no one here. Throughout this metro ride, I was just staring outside the window. I got to see all the places which I visited and which I was about to visit. So if you want to see other episodes of Dubai Frame, Future Museum and Burj Khalifa or Dubai Aquarium, do check out the entire Dubai series. And make sure to subscribe to this channel on YouTube and follow me on Instagram for regular updates. This is the longest journey. But the view is really good throughout. We are near Palm Jumeirah. From here, we have to change to energy station. 1080. Expensive, but worth it. And finally, the metro arrived near the UAE's largest IKEA. After 1 hour and at least 40 kilometers of journey, we are on the energy station to visit IKEA. Till now we paid on metro like 4, highest we paid is like 4 dirhams. And this is the longest journey, so let's see how much we'll pay for this one journey.
Just 780.
Wear sleeves, caps. After walking for 10-15 minutes, we finally arrived in IKEA. In case you are wondering how I did the visa, flight and hotel bookings, do check out the first episode of this series and all of your questions will be answered in that. I saw more than 100 home studios here and each one of them was completely unique. It's been more than 2 hours we are in IKEA and I'm tired. So just pretending to have a coffee. They don't just have like home decor stuff, they also have toys, kids section, gardening section and office section too. And my most favorite part was the food court. Here I got to try American and European dishes. They have really good food and whatever is shown in the picture is exactly same. Even on the board and there. And this is also unlimited once you buy. After having food, we continued with our shopping. We got lost here several times in search of like different sections and even in search of the cashier. After 3 hours of finding a cashier, we are again back in ground floor and I'm super tired. I'm walking and just walking for past 2 hours. There's a map. Here also, while shopping, I was worried if my card will work or not. Thankfully, it worked. We planned to spend here at least 2 or 3 hours, but we ended up spending more than 5 to 6 hours. And finally, it was time to say bye-bye to IKEA and head back to the hotel using the same route which we used in the morning. Now we are back from IKEA shopping. In next episode, we will see my return journey and how I lost my suitcase and if I ever find it again. Do subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and travel safe.